She looks so happy.
वो बहुत खुश नजर आ रही है.
Happy.
Having feelings of pleasure, for example because something good has happened to you or you are very satisfied with your life.
Cheerful.
Looking happy. The room looked bright and cheerful.
कमरा रोशन और खुशगवार नजर आया.
Be in a good mood. To feel happy and relaxed. It was the day before the vacation and everyone was in a good mood.
छठी से पहले का दिन था और सब अच्छे मूड में थे.
Contented.
Feeling happy with your life, job, situation, etc. She was contented with the outcome.
वो नतीजे से मुतमईन थी.
Pleased.
Glad.
Happy because something good has happened. I'm pleased I passed my exam.
मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने अपना इम्तिहान पास किया.
I'm glad that you came.
मुझे खुशी है कि आप तशरीफ लाए.
Delighted.
Very happy because something good has happened. The doctors say they are delighted with her progress.
डॉक्टरों का कहना है कि वो उसकी सेहतयाबी से खुश हैं.
Thrilled.
Very happy and excited about something.
We were so thrilled to hear about the baby.
हम बच्चे के बारे में सुनकर बहुत खुश हुए.
Overjoyed.
Very happy because you have heard some good news.
He was overjoyed to see his mother again.
वो अपनी मां को दोबारा देखकर खुश हुआ.
Be over the moon. To be very happy.
She's over the moon about her new job.
वो अपनी नई मुलाजमत के बारे में बहुत खुश है.
Ecstatic.
Extremely happy. The new president was greeted by an ecstatic crowd.
नए सदर का पुरजोश मजमा ने इस्तकबाल किया.
Blissful.
A blissful time is one in which you feel extremely happy. We stayed on the islands for 2 blissful weeks.
हम 2 खुशगवार हफ्तों तक जजीरों पर रहे.
Subscribe, like and share please. Thank you. It is all for you.